hi, my name's Dad.
Well,
Dan.
yeah.
Or whatever.
Whatever. And today we're going to be making a walking trebuchet.
Walking trebuchet. So we're going to launch stuff into the field, aren't we?
That's you can't really see it.
But we need to go. I wonder how far. We probably
Bit more.
a bit more. We should measure stuff with it. Let's get all this stuff out of the way. Right. Highly scary. Wait.
It's not in the
Oh,
hole.
no, there you go. Okay, go.
Oh, that's down.
That's good, okay. Go. Yes! I think that's on hammer. I wonder it was vibrating so much. Yeah, roughly, go. Nice. Perfect.
Here we go.
Put your hand on the back.
Here, as you can see right now.
You drilled a hole in here where this nut, is that the nut? I always get, yeah, that's the nut, the other one's a bolt. In there, and then that'll pinch that nice and tight. And put the bolt in there. Right, okay, let's get back into position. Wait, can you see it? Yeah. Wait. Just push it all the way down. We might have put this in the wrong. Okay, so we'll have to do it. I put that in the wrong place. I must have marked the wrong hole. So take that out. Right, let's do it the other end. We just have to re-drill stuff, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it that way. Let's put that in there.
Here we go.
That'll be there. So,
Actually,
right, we've remedied my mistake. It's always good making mistakes. When you make mistakes, you,
fix them.
which means you,
Fix them.
and,
Fix them.
which means you learn.
Learn.
Yeah. So mistakes are your greatest successes. What do you think? Sure, she's great. She's like, what they say, never work with children or animals.
You're an animal.
Yes, that's why I
And
should.
you used to be a child to never work with you.
Yeah. Right. Okay. This goes in here. We put that in there. That should fit in there.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to tighten that. This might be a little bit fiddly. Here's our picture. This is our walking trebuchet.
And this is my
You can
fat
see.
Dan
And this is Fat Dan
that I drew.
that Ren drew. So now we're going to make this triangular bit here.
Yeah. Action.
And poke it through there. And then put the other washer on. Oh, don't worry about pushing it away yet. Put the other washer on. There we go. Then push the other stick on. Don't worry about that bit because we're going to tighten it all up. Then put another washer on. Hello, microphone. And then I've got the nut here. That goes on the end. Good. Put that. If you put your foot on there as well,
On there.
just to stop
Oh, Daddy.
the stick moving.
You're taking the stick away.
I know.
Ah, the stick's
Hold on. Let's get it right. There. Good. perfect. Well done. Right, another screw. Let's do this other side.
Oh, they're connected!
Great. Yeah, so we need... Oh my goodness.
They're heavy. So then, what will happen?
We need to put a little pin in the top there, the most charged.
Yeah! Catch!
Whoa,
Oh, I nearly hit that down.
whoa, right. Need a duffer. You got a duffer? A duffer for duffing things. Duff, 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 duff. The ball is held in there and there. That swings round. Woohoo! All the way. Launch. That way, yeah. So we need to put one in there and there. Right, come on, drill McDrill face. It's good. Where's the other screw?
I don't know.
I'll get it all the way down there. That'll go in
You're
there.
the shortest dad I know, just
The short. What was that you said?
you're the shortest dad I know.
The shortest dad, you know.
Yeah, you're tiny.
Actually 6'7".
No, you're not.
Just look smaller on the camera, that's all.
That little boy.
Right, so then that.
Do you want to go, boy? Hey. Dad, you hit him with that.
How did I hit him? That's video evidence of you dropping the cat on the trebuchet. Ouch! Ow! Blimey. No, open the scissors right up. There you go. And the little snip. And again. That should be it. We've got a hole. Can you see me? Can you see you?
That one didn't go in.
Right, this hooks into these hooks. So lift the front bit up. That goes into there. Come on, let go. Let go. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Not funny if I hold it here. Oh, I don't know. Right, okay, I'm not really sure. I don't know if this will work. 3, 2, 1. Send it.
Close!
I shouldn't be standing behind it like that, should I really?
Action.
Alright, okay, now we're recording. Now Ren's recording. Right, let's
I had to move it into the right position.
lift this up like so.
Don't
That-
lose the tennis ball.
That goes in there. Oh, I'm scared.
I'm sorry. I'm not watching for the camera.
Tell me when.
3, 2, 1, now! Whee!
That's gonna work. That's gonna so work.
3, 2, 1, go! Keep
Just-
on going back.
That's fine. We're getting there though. This is good. Right,
3, 2,
let's brake stand
One.
in there. Well, we're getting there.
Yep.
3,
2,
2, 1.
go!
Yes! Oi, oi! It was. Ooh, oh. Ooh.
There. It's gone so far. If you see it back here, you can barely see my dad. So yeah. Yo! That was sick! And
Come here, come here, come here, come here. So we're filming, right? There's the audience in there. Say hello, audience. When you're like this going, hello, audience, you're the best. They can't see you, so what do you want to say? That your daddy is the best and he's better than you.
He's horrible.
He's the best and he's better than you.
No. Daddy's so chicken.
saw. Maybe it's in the face. Go and get the saw.
3, 2, 1, launch!
Oh my gosh! Oh.
Is my dad going to get? Very successful, wasn't it?
That was, yeah. You've just seen the footage of that spinning through the air.
Yeah.
Now it's Ren's turn
To launch it.
So
Hopefully it goes well.
all you do is hold that here,
Yeah.
and then you just throw that forwards.
Okay, like that.
Just watch out for this bit hitting you in the face. You got it?
Yep.
3,
2,
2, 1.
Aww.
Oh, you got it though. That was a good one. Remember, my first one wasn't.
It's back. You mean your first two?
Right, let's try it again.
It's
Slow down.
very heavy.
Very heavy.
3.
Wait there. Wait there. You got
Put
it?
me down. Yep.
3, 2, 1.
It didn't hit the window.
No, thankfully it hit the roof. Okay, don't
you guys
tell.
didn't see that,
Don't
but
tell the grown-ups.
rocks just landed on my grandma's house.
Let's go with the tennis ball.
Yeah, it's less dangerous.
Less danger, just for now, because they're in the garden.
Do it with one.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know what we're doing. High fives or what?
No,
Yeah.
let's do it
Yeah.
again. Let's do it again.
What are we doing?
High five. Dad, you don't jump high jump because I'm
Okay.
tiny.
Ready? Ooh. Ooh. Right, let's go and get. You go and get the ball
No,
this time.
I'm going to come with you.
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, send it! Where's the other one?
I don't know. I think the other one might have just dropped out. And that was it. Okay, Ren, let's do a photo closure. Come here. We built. What did we call this again? The walking trebuchet. Please like and subscribe. Please make some of these for yourself.
Yeah.
Please take risks and have fun, because that's what life's all about, with your family, having fun, teaching them stuff, and launching rocks and tennis balls, isn't it, Ren? You got anything to say? That's brilliant. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one. Bye.
Stay tuned!